Super Typhoon Ragasa unleashed torrential rain and powerful winds in northern Philippines, flooding entire towns and submerging homes and businesses overnight. Residents said the water rose so quickly that many had little time to react.
At tumahas, tapos naririnig ko malakas, tapos may hangin. May hangin yung kapag hindi ganong tapos paggising ko na lang malalim na.
Napakalas ng ulan kagabi. Kahapon wala man yun, tignan mo. Sobrang lakas ng ulan, bumana rito. Madaling araw wala to kaninang umaga, puno na.
More than 10,000 people have been evacuated across the northern region, while schools and government offices were closed in Metro Manila and 29 other provinces. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ordered disaster response agencies to be on full alert and mobilize government resources. The storm also reignited criticism over the government's handling of flood control projects.
Napakalaki talaga, malakas talaga pag ng tubig. Ito po yung resulta ng flood control na hindi nila nagawa. Yan po. Kitang-kita nyo po, ang laki ng tubig. Pero kung nagawa po siguro yun, baka ngayon hindi mangyayari itong ganitong sitwasyon yan. Napakalaki po talaga. Sana po sa mga tao.
Ragasa, the world's strongest typhoon so far this year, packed winds of up to 220 kilometers per hour as it barreled toward southern China's Guangdong province.